So I haven't done this in a while. I'm going to walk you through a new tool. It's not one of the major models. This is Napkin.AI. This just popped into my feed at some point today and thought I would check it out. Basically, this is a tool that is going to take your text, think of like a Word doc or some notes or something like that, and it generates visuals of it. So a better way to communicate visually. For the pragmatic user, think about this as a way to spice up your PowerPoint slides or your blogs where you need a visual that coincides or reinforces with what you're talking about. So you can see that here at Napkin.AI. Basically, you start by pasting your text from anything. I'm about to show you that for the first time. I haven't done it yet. Then it's going to generate visuals, and you basically choose the different types. Be interested to see what it comes up with. Then you can obviously edit them, polish it in a number of ways. You can see that here. And the really cool thing, obviously, is that you can then export it as a PNG file, PDF, SVG, or a URL link. So the PNG file would probably be the best way to embed it into a PowerPoint slide and or blog. Okay, so basically right now it's in beta. So you can sign up for free. I'm not sure which plan they're going to give me because you can see both the starter and the professional plan are free right now. But you just go through, you click Get Napkin for free. It's going to take you into verify Google if you want to use Google to sort of create an account. Sorry. But this is basically where it takes you. So create my first napkin. So I'm going to, let's see, I guess I can generate some text or I'll paste. So I have a document here. It's just a Word doc that spells out basically how generative AI models are trained and learned. I use this to teach it. So I've been wanting to come up with a slick, helpful way for visual depiction. I usually draw it out as I'm teaching and sort of build how these models are trained and learned, which is great. But I can do something like that in PowerPoint as well. So here we go. I just copied and then pasted all of this in there and then generate visuals by clicking the blue button. Okay, I guess it's just going to go here. So let's see how this works. I have no idea how long this is going to take. Okay, interesting. I'm trying to basically determine if it used my text in some way or it changed it, because I don't use this term informed decision making or dimensionality reduction. Never used that phrase or those words in my life. Let's see what's going on here. Scroll to explore more. Okay. Maybe that was just for that. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I'm learning as I go here. It's basically giving me another option to create a visual for this section. So it broke it up section by section. And here we go. Now this looks more like what I am used to and the language that I used, although learning outcome is not. Here we go. Yes. Now this is a perfect visual for what I basically walk through here in this text. So I really like that a lot. Let's see here if, funny that I'm not getting any other options here for any other sections. I'm trying to figure out how to prompt that. And if I can go back, sorry for all the stuttering around here. This is literally my first time driving this. I'm going to pause and try to get acclimated so I'm not wasting your time. Okay, so trying to get acclimated here. One thing I'm going to show you is just the vast array of options here. So look at all these styles. Some look like typical PowerPoint. Others look like nice doodles, if you will. Just going to walk you through this so you can kind of see all the variations. So some of these are on point. They're not necessarily, I mean, like, look at this one. So I don't know where this came from. I mean, in terms of what it's trying to depict. I mean, I agree, lack of labeled data leads to nonsensical predictions, but that's not necessarily true, and that's not the point of what I'm trying to make. So not all of these. Now, it can generate more. As you can see, I clicked on that button. We'll see, just how many supervised versus a lot of these could be helpful in just extracting these. But say I like this one for whatever reason, I am going to try to figure out how to capture this. So that's the download. I wonder, so everything is the download. I wonder if I can grab all of this and download it. I can. So as a PNG, I'm going to download that. All right. I'm just going to open up a PowerPoint that I've been working with here. PNG. There we go. So pretty nifty. Sorry, this is almost 7 minutes. I'll try to cut it down. But this is Napkin.AI. So really helpful. Maybe Copilot in PowerPoint is going to have something similar to this. Wouldn't that be amazing? Wave 2 in the announcement from Microsoft, we saw some element of this being baked into PowerPoint going forward. So anyways, check it out, Napkin.AI. It is in beta right now, so it is free. Have fun.